I know that sun is coming right in. It always, you turn the camera on and it's light in a window, it's sunlight, it's something. But anyway, was going to make you just a little follow-up video, because yesterday on the M12 half-inch impact wrench, I didn't end the video because I had all intentions of ending it Monday afternoon and ending the video out, and I didn't get to, but I went ahead and just did the video and uploaded it. But I wanted to show you something on the little, now don't talk about my truck because it's junky, so no comments. On the 4-in-1, the installation kit, whatever, drill, whatever you want to call it, the one you change all the heads out on. As I said earlier, I'm not a guy that digs into the instructions and reads much about them. I pull them out of the box, slap a battery in them, pull the trigger, and I see if it'll do what I want it to do. And so anyway, I find out things about the tools as I go along, and look what I discovered. A magnet. You put screws, extra bits, whatever you want to put right there. So how cool is that? I discovered that by mistake today. This morning I was putting up smoke detectors and a screw stuck to it. And I was like, look at there. And I thought earlier when I first opened it, I was like, is that a magnet? But I didn't try it, and I kind of felt of it, and I was like, ah, it feels like plastic. And so I never went any further with it, but it's a magnet. Next on the agenda, I want to do something with this. I'm going to take the teeth off of my backhoe. And the reason I am is I am digging something that I want kind of a flat bottom in it. And a long time ago, a buddy of mine, he took the teeth off of his. Look, see, the light ain't right. Gosh. He took the teeth off of his, but it was a bigger backhoe with a lot more power and a lot more weight. And it worked fine doing what he was needing to do, needing to dig something with a flat bottom and a smooth bottom. So I'm going to take these off, see if it'll do what I want it to do. My backhoe may not have enough weight and enough power to do it, but we're going to try it. Gotta have a wrench. Ran them with a little WD. I got that one out, but I should have sprayed them with WD-40 and I didn't think about it. And I went to digging over there just a little bit. I wanted to start my hole. So I got mud on it. That's on number 2. That ain't gonna work. Number 3, full power. Will we have to go get Big Dog, or will this one do it? Not shabby, buddy. Ain't nothing shabby about the M12 at all. There it is with the teeth off. So I don't know. It's kind of got a little cutting edge on it. Let's go see what it'll do. Like I said when I was taking the teeth off, I'd already started this hole with the teeth because I wanted to kind of get it started, and then now I'm doing it without the teeth. So that's why you see that already dug. Now I'm kind of playing here a little bit, just seeing what this thing's going to do with no teeth on it, because I want to make my bottom smooth and kind of keep it hard where the teeth would dig and tear it up and then leave it loose on top, and I'm wanting to leave it smooth. I've got an electric pipe right there, it is in here. I've got a gas pipe in here, and so I'm wanting to locate them. The gas pipe is actually a dead pipe, because I told them last year that we were going to blacktop this, and they were like, well, we don't need to blacktop over the gas line, we'll move it on the other side of the house. So they moved it on the other side of the house. I'm kind of locating that. this sidewalk is going to come out, and we're going to blacktop all the way up to that rock. So I'm just kind of scratching along. Tomorrow, or when I started doing this, it's kind of in our busy time. There's going to be a lot of traffic coming through, but tomorrow I'm going to try to park the 3560 there. I'm trying to keep the hours down on it because it is traded. We've already settled on a deal and everything. They're having trouble getting my tractor in with everything I wanted on it. So I don't know when I'll get my new tractor, but I'm probably going to park it here where I can dump the dirt in the bucket of it. Right now I'm just scratching this dirt back towards me, and at the end of this I'm going to load it up and haul it off in the front bucket of the 25D. And I am kind of just taking it slow and easy, just dragging the bucket along because I know about where that gas pipe is, because I had it marked last year. I'd called before you dig because I knew we were going to do this, and we just kind of been waiting for pretty weather to start it. And then that's when I told them that I was going to blacktop this, and so they were like, well, let's move the gas line, but we'll mark it anyway. So I knew about where it was, or where it is, whatever. And I'm just kind of scratching along, pulling the dirt back with me, and gonna locate that gas line. I'm really impressed with the way the bucket is doing. It's doing a great job with no teeth on it. But there again, I'm not in a hurry and I'm not pushing it. I know that gas pipe's in here somewhere, so I'm just trying to kind of drag along. Just dig easy and smooth and not hook under it or cup it and yank it up or anything like that, because I don't really want to disturb it. Well, you see me right here push that little wire back. That's the locator wire for the gas line. So now I know where the gas line's at. That was really my objective today, was to locate that electric line and this gas line so that I can kind of move along now. And I don't want to rip that gas line out of the ground, even though they're supposed to have turned it off and there's no gas flow on it. And I didn't want to cut my electric going over to the building under the blacktop. So I've located those, and that was really what my main objective was, because I didn't get started till it was probably getting close to 3 o'clock. And so I accomplished what I wanted to accomplish. I zip tie this shovel handle around my pedal. That way I don't have to get off and turn my seat around and all that. I can just use this stick to work my hydrostat and move around a little bit. Those pads are from AI2. They're real big pads, got the rubber bottom, highly recommend them. What I'm doing here is we're widening this drive out. It's going to take all this in right here. I was just kind of digging today. I knew this was in here that I needed to find, and I knew that old line's in here, but I don't want to disturb it or mess with it or anything, even though they killed it. But we're going to excavate all of this. I'm having to dig it and then take the little Kubota, the 25D, and then move my dirt because my 3560 is traded. So I'm trying not to, let me get out from under here because it's the light, we're losing daylight. I'm trying not to put any hours on this because the way I would like to do it is put the bucket on the front of this tractor, park it over there, dig, and drop it in that bucket. But I'm trying not to put any more hours on it, even though we've done traded, we've done settled on a price, the whole deal. And the problem is the tractor I've ordered, then all the accessories I've ordered on it, they can't get all the stuff in that I've wanted to put on it. I think because of COVID and just all that. They told me that last year they didn't hardly get any tractors in, and they're just now starting to get tractors in, and so getting all the stuff on the tractor I want is kind of a problem. So I don't even know when I'm going to get it, when the deal will be done, but I'm really trying not to put a lot of hours on this tractor, but I may wind up parking it over here and doing that, dumping the dirt in the front bucket of it and then bringing it over here where I'm dumping it up behind this gravel pile. Well guys, I wanted to make another video, kind of just follow up on that 4-in-1 drill driver. I wanted to show you that magnet on it. I wanted to show you the M12 impact, 1/2-inch impact, taking the teeth off of that bucket. I like digging with it like that because I can make that so smooth. I just don't want to rough it up because the ground that's under that, I want to keep it packed. So I put my gravel on it, and then when they put the blacktop on it, you know, it hadn't been disturbed down there. Trying not to just tear up any more than I have to. So that's why I'm digging with a slick bucket like that. Guys, y'all have a blessed day. Remember, God loves you. Jesus died for you. If I didn't enjoy being with you, I sure wouldn't make these videos. Y'all have a blessed day.